two peoples. Today I'll be reviewing the 10th Doctor's Flight Control Tardis. Had it for almost a month now, but procrastinated on making a video. Yeah, it's really awesome. Well, let's get into it. This is the box. Got these instructions here, which I looked at already. Nothing special, just instructions. The box has a picture of a cardboard cutout of the 10th Doctor that says "Figure not included." Oh duh. It has the warpy sound the TARDIS makes. And it lists all the features. Take off and landing, fly it, spin it. Features. It doesn't actually fly. Here's a picture of the TARDIS. It says opening telephone dial and opening doors. One of the list of the features. It tells you what sounds can make what you do. You can't activate all of them. The difficult time to do some of them. Another picture, just that on the top. On the bottom, black with some legal information. Okay, moving on. Now when you put the TARDIS on a flat surface, it makes the materialization sound. I think there's a long takeoff materials. I don't know what happened there, but yeah, it looks great on all sides. Amazing. And when you open it up by pushing the doors in, and you get a beautiful view of the inside of the 10th Doctor's and 9th Doctor's TARDIS. Now, you can close the door by pulling it shut. For this one, and this telephone door opens. You get a beautiful telephone thing. But you can close this by just pushing closed. And to turn off the sound effect, well, you can't, but to turn off the noise, you can close the door by pushing the little button on the thing and let go. It is beautifully illuminated. That you just saw looks beautiful in the dark also. It's a beautiful TARDIS. Not much else to it. When you lift it up, it does make the noise. Speakers. And the big actually. The bottom has the switching stuff. And let's see. Now, flying through the vortex TARDIS. Well, that's about it. But also included in this video is a figure review on April. Might be slightly bit tipsy. It's the first figure I made out of this collection. The legs are bendable, well, not bendable, but posable. And you can kind of move her torso and hair, not really, but it just doesn't have that acting video, so not that great, but it's a companion, so it's close enough. As you hear, it's pretty normal. So all you do is on this back and off. There we go. But overall, it is a pretty good figure. It's okay. It's not awesome, but yeah. Really quick, I forgot to show this in the video. Here's the box and it came in. It looks like this. Has the standard logo in for Series 5, and it has its iron side. Peter the Winder, Professor Bracewell, a Dalek which I wanted but didn't have. I was looking to find it in a store. Projected Weeping Angel, Normal Weeping Angel, Amy Crom, which is the one we have, and Matt Smith. I'm a doctor. And yeah, back to the normal video. Well, anyway, that's the video on the 10th Doctor's Flight Control Tardis. 10th or 9th, I keep feeling so 9th, but yeah. And just so you can get the scale of a 5-inch figure. It fits pretty well. Soon there'll be some more Doctor Who videos on my channel. So, until then, Thomas Blue signing off.